How to add device in Amazon Prime Video account. So if you want to add a device, then first of all open up your Chrome browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then on the search bar search for Amazon Prime Video, and then click on the first search. And here it will take you to the website, and make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, on the upper right corner you will have your profile icon. Click on that and then go to account and settings, and from here you will have a bunch of options. Click on your devices, and from here you will have register another device option. On the right corner you will have register a new device. Click on that, and after that you can simply just enter your registration code, and after entering you can click on register device, and that's it guys, that's how you do it. But if you don't have your registration code, then you can follow these 3 steps, and after following these steps you can have your registration code. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.